fighting. Already you have.
అదే ఉండే నువ్వు. Now onwards, we are start
Talking.
talking in English. Only English, huh?
Only English.
Few moments later.
I am hospital with so many patients. Yeah, tell them. We are roaming from afternoon. No food, no eating. Falling is hard.
ఇంకా ఎప్పుడు వస్తారు?
After 4:30.
4:30. ఓకే, టేక్ కేర్.
No take care. Going hospital means no care. No health.
We are surviving. My heart is paining. That's why I am kept to hospital and checked. Today onwards, we are all talk with in English, no Telugu, no other languages, only English or Hindi. Are you comfortable with Hindi or English? मेरा को बढ़िया नहीं है अच्छी.
అన్ని చెప్పేటేంది?
मेरा గుండెలో బొక్క పడింది. డాక్టర్ టెల్ మీ టేక్ రెస్ట్, డోంట్ టేక్ టూ మచ్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రెస్.
గుండెలో ఏర్పడింది.
గుండెలో బొక్క పడింది. Yes.
Here we are.
Hey guys, we are at Government General Hospital, ప్రభుత్వ సర్వజన ఆసుపత్రి శ్రీకాకుళం. బలగా శ్రీకాకుళం వైసే శ్రీకాకుళం శ్రీకాకుళం. This fellow has an some health issue like shivering. He has nervous weakness, so we have to check it.
Hey, Sidhu, you following these girls, eh? Why are you hiding your face? Why? Huh?
This series, guys, welcome to Government Hospital. To this.
Why this hospital hot chicks are looking so spicy? Huh?
Oh, I don't know. Actually, we are from Dr. B. R. Ambedkar University.
ఎవడ ఇంట్రడ్యూషన్ చెప్పండి.
We have to come to check our reports.
They look so spicy.
They are so spicy. Series, very hot chicks.
వీడియో ముందర అమ్మాయికి నటించగా కెన్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ జస్ట్ టాక్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ టాక్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఓకే టాక్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్
Tablets. You didn't have any tablets?
This is not there. You medicine.
మై మెడిసిన్
This tablet and get it open.
ఐ డోంట్ నీడ్ మెడిసిన్ ఐ am a
For
solid
30
boy
days.
for 30
Doctor
days.
wrote tablets MVT.
Okay, I
30
take
days.
tomorrow.
Okay. Come with me.
What about blood tests?
Blood tests, not you.
You know blood test?
Varun Kumar,
Yeah.
why does
You want-
hospital hot chicks looks very spicy?
Because full AC. No outgoing. That full on AC. That's why very spicy.
Do you like any girl?
Yes.
Someone have very hot temperature.
Me?
I have to take.
You
We completed the work and then come out.
successfully.
Here
We are in
backside
government hospital.
looks some baddie chicks, but
Yes.
we are not going to there because we are innocents. What about him? He's not innocent.
Where are you going, guys?
Boy. Who?
Where are you going?
What Anna? What arm cutting Anna? Huh? Look at this. This person comes with gas book. Book చేయడానికి వచ్చింది. We are putting this here. You need to eat. Don't eat.
Suddenly BTech final
This
year.
is a poison. If you fail in the exam, then తాగండి. Okay. Drinking. No bad words. Okay. Okay. Good evening.
మీరు మళ్ళీ బండిగా
Only talk in English. Talk.
I will drop.
I love it.
Hey, no bad words. What are you talking?
You will come. We 3 guys are.
No. I will go with kidney patient. He has patient, you know.
No. This
Does he have kidney patient? Where is the kidney, man? Where is the kidney?
No police, mama.
Coating on your back.
I will go from Kotta Road, New Road.
Just come with me. We are.
If you want to go the RTC complex, then why do you go to New Road?
New Road means new way, new highway.
So you go to only highway.
No.
Then
We three.
then go. What are you saying? Not bingo. It's then go. Then go.
No. For both three guys go with on bus or
You're not saying this is not a documentary, Ray. Just speaking like how you speak, how you free, how to
I told you.
really.
Go to repair shop, man. Take 10 rupees and 20 rupees.
Oh, that's
These ninja sons doing something crazy, but
very Chinese
there is a girl not coming
You
too
go
late.
there and mechanic.
So talking something, Ray. Take something.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys.
Hey
Bye.
guys, there is a Japanese girl. There,
Hey, don't say that.
there is a Japanese
It's a
girl.
private. Okay? You don't take the bike, Ray. It's a
Why,
scooty.
Ray? Yes, Ray.
These two guys decided to go to the bike because he is the kidney patient and he is the motion patient and he is the something patient and he is the
Hot patient.
heart patient. I am the patient of patient. Ah,
I am not
He's
patient.
saying that Stira. So in the rule of the start in మాట్లాడింగ్ in English,
Guys,
he they fail.
ఇది fail. What fail?
తీరా
మరి నువ్వు అర్థం వేరే చెయ్యొద్దు.
Not this
Don't
girls
do
coming
this.
to man.
Tell this. Tell this.
Again told that one. Why double box?
Why?
We are walking, man. We are walking. Then why double box?
This India.
Huh? If you walk double box.
But you put the phone up.
Anna, I have a pet playground, Ray. That's why I put the here.
There is a way to go outside and wait. Check the.
Hey, you not properly speaking English here. This one speaks English too much, Ray.
In our bag, there is three guys following.
Okay, give me space, Ray. Give me space, Ray. Varun Kumar, don't look at the back.
No, Varun.
Give me
Just
space.
Lingeshwara.
Not this Bama. Nope. In back, girls.
There is three guys following.
What is this, Ray? Nature is not supporting us, Ray. Again, Ray, why this hospital hot chicks looks very cute and spicy, Ray?
They are seeing.
They not seeing, they sigpudding, not saying something. Why not?
There is an ambulance to go.
Ambulance to go outside. Hey, why are you coming late, Ray? Bye.
You wait, Rara. I get on bike, Ra.
Bye. Hi.
The security was just like.
He is not excited to say hi. So in my inner
he's on
feeling,
angry mode.
I said them.
That's
then
why-
go.
Tango.
Bye
Tango.
to bye everyone. Bye.